So, as we've gone, we've made many, many adjustments to Betsy here. Right? We first got Betsy, she didn't have a windscreen. She didn't have saddlebags or a luggage rack. She had a stock headlight, which now she's got an insane LED headlight. Because I like being able to see at night, because I love riding at night. But we've also upgraded our tail lights. Oh yes, we have gone with the Clockworks classic taillight setup. This is a beautiful, absolutely gorgeous retro style design. It took us a while. We got the bell housing painted up in the high gloss black that we've done our rear taillights on, which I have to fix paint on because while I was working on this, putting on these new taillights, I scraped the paint on one of them. I also have to touch up the paint on my luggage rack because I didn't care. I just rested it on the ground. But my God, those new taillights. Oh, I love that look. Betsy is just turning into this wonderful, gorgeous, beautiful lady that is uniquely mine. And I am so glad for it, especially since we are going to Daytona in a couple of weeks. We got an 1,100-mile ride one way to get there. And Betsy is, I don't know, let's see. Betsy's 78 miles from hitting 20,000. But that makes me really happy. Finally getting a much larger, much more beautiful taillight. So we'll see what the dealership says when I go in for my 20,000 mile service. But oh, I love it. It looks great.